Well, that's how much snow we've had since last night. Didn't think it would stick to this bird feeder roof, but it does. There's a lot of snow out there. I'm going to head out. I have to go shovel my way to the geese. I'll take Samson along. Piper's going to stay here though. Alright, that is right outside my door. Carpet, door, dog, shovel. Dutch said, yep, there's another shovel over there. I'm going to have to grab that. Still the down trees from the last storm. Oh my, it's going to be quite a task to get back to the geese today. Alright, I shoveled off 2 steps. They are completely in a holy berry. Wow. Oh, Samson thinks he's going to go. You're going to go up or you're going to wait for me to shovel? Yeah, he's going to wait. He's going. Oh, he's knocking me over. He's going to wait for me to shovel. There is a lot of snow out here. Okay, back to shoveling. I got the stairs shoveled, and now I'm working my way back. Let me show you. I am over the knee deep in snow here. Yeah, I'm not even halfway back. All right, I'll continue on. I made it back to the goose pen. I had to shovel my way back here and shovel them out. Look at how much snow. Dutch cleared that off after that last snowstorm came through. So here we go. They're chomping at the bit. Okay, flapping their wings to get out of there. Whew. All right. Hey guys. I should shovel off the roof. Guess I'll do that. Bye. It's all shoveled off. Hi guys, you can follow me back to the house now, where there'll be food and water. Eventually we'll probably have to keep their food and water back here. I don't know. Can't remember if we did that last year. Probably. As you can see, I did not shovel there. I shoveled in front of the door, so I probably do need to shovel going back, but check it out. I know, there's not a lot to see. Snow and trees. Lots of snow and trees. And geese. Not lots. 2 geese, Ernie and Edna. Ernie's on the left, Edna's on the right. They're waiting for me to move on, so I guess I'll move on. Make their life easier. They're so pretty. I should have brought food and water back here for them. But I know they'll come to the house. Okay, I'm going to do a little more shoveling here and probably shovel more on a path back, although I'll tell you, I keep taking my hand out of my mitten to hold my camera, and I'm just using my phone, so the quality's not as good, but I don't want my camera ruined. And it's still snowing, so gotta catch my breath. Wow. Okay, it's a workout shoveling snow. Don't let anybody ever tell you differently. Okay, back to work I go. I'm making slow progress. There's my dog. Kind of shoveled a path back there. But it's so pretty. It's a little, what's the term? I don't know. This is snow. It's a lot of snow to have on the ground by December 1st. I suppose it's not uncommon. It just seems like a lot of snow. I was kind of waiting to see if the geese would follow me back. So far they have not. It's just so pretty. So much work, but so pretty. And thankfully it's not that cold. I think it was about 30 degrees this morning. But it said it felt like 6. So I guess it's cold. As long as I'm bundled up, and I'm bundled up, I'm okay. And I don't have to stay out here all day. I was just looking at a little birdie up in the tree. I'd love to show you. It's too far away. Okay. I'm going to shovel some more. Yeah. Okay. Wow, I'm worn out and I still need to go shovel the driveway. By the way, it's Sunday. There's so much... Okay, let me get this straight. We said it wrong. There's so much snow they canceled church today. That rarely happens. It It's still snowing, 1:30 in the afternoon. I am actually trying this again. I did it once, and I dropped my camera. So we're going to try this again. I have a ruler, and I'm going to measure the depth of the snow. It hasn't been plowed yet. It's been snowing since sometime during the night. So this is how much snow we've had from this storm, because the snow had been plowed away before the storm. So here goes the ruler, and I hope I have it straight. Look at that. That's almost 15 inches. Can you see that? I hope so. The first time I tried recording that, I dropped the camera. Maybe I'll show that footage right now. Let's see. Oh, it keeps going deeper. That's 14. Oh, I dropped my... Okay, let's see if you can see that. See that? 14 and a half inches. I hope you could see that. Everything is covered in snow. That went way deeper than I thought it would. I don't know why. I knew it was deep out here. Okay, so lots of snow coming down. Dutch has the plow truck running. That's his car buried in the snow. Yes, buried in the snow. So he's going to have to dig that out before he can leave today. He has to head down to Milwaukee where he works. He has to leave in about 4 hours. And normally he might take that time off, you know, because it's dangerous to be out on the roads today. But he has a class in Oklahoma this week. So he has to head to Milwaukee, and from there down to Oklahoma, where it's probably a sunny 60 degrees while we battle this snow. Oh, I love the snow. I don't like the idea of being stuck though, or getting in an accident or something. Okay, I'm going in. I'm cold. I'm inside watching the car be cleared off. Look at that pile of snow came from that car. That's crazy. It's been snowing even more since I went out there and measured that. Almost 15 inches. I'm sure it's 15 inches by now. Okay. We will watch him as he plows past us. Yeah, that's as far as my trash cans made it this week. There he goes. That's a lot of snow. Wow. Do you want to know something? I just came to check on toilet paper. You saw that big storm going out there. 15 inches of snow. And we are down to 4 rolls of toilet paper. 4 rolls of toilet paper. Dutch and Erica went to the store this morning. They came home. I said, did you get toilet paper? Do we dare go out to buy toilet paper? Okay, check it out. These are my front steps. There's my van. This is the car my son was working on. Can you see that? Tires off. Look how much snow is on the top of that car. This is crazy just to shovel these steps out. It's got 2 storms worth of snow because nobody shoveled it out in between. Wow. Okay, I'm worn out, but I got to shovel through there, at least part way. I know Dutch is going to plow some of that, but the car is in the way. And I don't know where Dutch is. He left the vehicles running here, but I haven't seen him. Sure he'll turn up. Maybe he's trying to get the backhoe out. I guess I should talk to you this way so you can actually see me. Yeah. Oh, yep, I hear the tractor going. He just got it started. After the last storm, it was covered in snow and there were trees leaning over it. It looked pretty bad. And then another 15 inches, 16 probably by now, 17, I don't know, inches on top of that. That's a lot of snow. Okay, I'm going to get back to work shoveling all this snow. I do believe it has stopped snowing. Wow, I shoveled around my son's car here. Okay, this is the car I'm shoveling out. Look how deep that snow was on the roof. There's a branch sticking out of the exhaust. a lot of snow to move. I tried to move it away from the car here. It's all going to fall back down. Gonna come for another run. This is my front yard. My tomatoes were growing right down there. But the snow has to go somewhere. So he's pushing it back to make room for more snow, because it's December 1st, so we are going to get more snow. This is the second big snowstorm we've had this season. By big, I mean things shut down. Schools, churches, businesses if they're open. I think he's stuck. But he hasn't used the hoe to pull his way out yet, so can't be too stuck. He hasn't put the chains on the tires yet either. That would make it go. Oh, he must be stuck. He's getting the hoe out. Oops. Now what he'll do is pull himself out of there. Well, that's the idea. We'll see if he can accomplish it. Or we'll be stuck here all winter. Not much to grab onto, though. Look at that. Woohoo. He's good. And off he goes. Well, I'm not much help right now. I think I'm going to go in the house. I got most of, well, it's hard to tell, my son's car dug out. He works the night shift and sleeps during the day, but daylight's a wasting. Okay. Dutch got the truck stuck, so he needed my help pulling it out. No problems. Oh, I almost hit him. No, it wasn't even close. Whew. Oh, it's nice and warm in the plow truck. Alright. I wasn't ready the first time he tugged. I'm like, whoa, I haven't even got it in reverse yet. It's making a rattling sound. What's that? Muffler. Oh, the muffler. Look at, there's my trail I like to walk down. The car is cleared off. Dutch is still doing some plowing. I want to tell you something right now. I'm so thankful that he was here. Oh, he's got a burnt out taillight. I'll have to remember to tell him. I'm so thankful that he was here to do the plowing. I like to plow, but he got stuck with the backhoe, which I won't use. But he got stuck with the plow truck. And I know my older son would have helped me get it out if it had been me. But I don't like getting stuck, and I don't like the heavy wet snow plowing. I like to plow, but he does. Yeah, I'm not quite as... Yeah, I don't know what word I'm looking for. I'm just glad he was here to do the plowing from this big heavy snowstorm.